Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can disable Roblox UI navigation. I am showing you the on-screen keyboard to help with this quick tutorial. So here we are in-game, and as you can see, my character is moving around, and on my keyboard, I'm using WASD to move. Now, it looks like my character is not moving at all, or it looks like it's stuck, but one of the reasons might be I have pressed the key to enable UI navigation. If you don't know which keys for the UI navigation enable disable is, all you have to do is press ESC or escape button to open the in-game menu, and then from here click help, and then under MISC you can see UI selection toggle, and here it tells us that it is the backslash key assigned to it. It might be different on your end, but now we know which key to press. We can press escape again to go back to the game. Now all you have to do is simply press the backslash key on your keyboard again to disable the UI navigation, and your character should be able to move again. Note that when you click on it again, it would show a notification here that it has been enabled. You'll just have to press it again so that you can move around. And that's it. That's how you disable Roblox UI navigation.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.